बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शिवी
محمد
शिवी çok iyi. Teşekkür. Okuyama.
They don't want to be taking a chance. We didn't pay for it yet. We did not pay for it.
Oh, he's getting stopped. He's getting stopped. He's gonna stop him.
Really? Yeah, it's gonna go stop me. Just
He's driving in the center.
Oh. Yeah, I think he's gonna put the lights on. Yeah. Okay.
Closely for your call sign, for your airline's call sign, and then your flight number. So you got to be paying a lot of attention when you're moving around in these types of very busy airports. Now, one of the things that they think was happening was they were going to line up this guy here on the 3-1 left, and they were going to
protected. Over 143 million people, which is half of American adults, had their social security numbers, dates of birth, debit cards, and even driver's license numbers stolen, which means they got it all. Since this info never changes, ID thieves can do whatever they want, whenever they want. So,
Maybe 3? She looked back at Edith and nodded. But I haven't seen him since then, Ryan. Do you know where he went? He just said he wanted to get back out on the road. Without me. Ursula looked at Edith again.
Week on illegal immigration. The statement said Yates, quote, has betrayed the Department of Justice by refusing to enforce
Come on, you
design
fucking
for
idiot.
citizens of the United States.
Fucking butt fuck.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover